Along the eastern coast of Singapore lies one of our most treasured urban getaway. In today's episode of Homes for Tomorrow, join me as we rediscover the allure of Singapore's coastal living. The East Coast is home to 46,000 residents, easy access to major highways, close proximity to good schools, and a walking distance to East Coast Park has always been the major appeals of this area. In addition, the completion of the East Coast Line, which is slated for Q3 this year, has further fueled buying interest. One project that is well positioned to benefit from this is Meyer Mansion by Kallang. Today I am in the sales gallery of Meyer Mansion, which is located along Kallang Airport Way, to speak to Dora and Patricia. Now, before diving into Meyer Mansion, let's talk about the prestigious Meyer Road address.
The Meyer Road precinct is actually very unique in our view. It has the East Coast Park, which is where the sea is on one side, and the landed enclave on the other side. This landed houses actually stretches all the way to the Dakota Crescent area, which provides you with a large expanse of unblocked views. Meyer Mansion is situated actually along this stretch by the beach, where it's actually well known in the past as holiday mansions for the rich tycoons.
Hence, Meyer Mansion is designed with a setback from the road, with a driveway lined with tropical trees, just like good old bungalows.
When we're designing Meyer Mansion, we were inspired by the mansions of the past. So we actually designed or dedicated 80% of the site to landscaping, maintaining the building to 20% of the site. So the lush landscape and amenities, we have actually two pools in Meyer Mansion as well, which are a signature of Kalang's high-end developments. So the upcoming Katong Park MRT station is only 5 minutes walk away, and Meyer Mansion is only 6 stops to Raffles Place MRT station. So for those of us who drive, you also notice that you are just a stone throw away from the CBD. Within 10 minutes, you are right in the middle of CBD and the Marina Bay.
Now let's talk about Meyer Mansion, the project. I noticed that a significant amount of space is actually dedicated for the residents to relax and to entertain its guests. What kind of residence mix do you expect to see in Meyer Mansion?
Actually, we designed 1 to 4 bedroom units here at Meyer Mansion. So we are actually looking at people from all walks of life to be enjoying this development. We are also looking at more of the families who would like to live in a development like this, where a lot of space is catered for facilities and the landscape. We like to say that Meyer Mansion is actually designed for you throughout the different stages of your life.
Now, with such a diverse resident mix, how can Meyer Mansion be flexible in terms of integrating all its different needs?
In Meyer Mansion, most of our 3-bedroom and above has a flexi-room concept. Both the walls are able to remove entirely to accommodate the changing needs of the family. And in Meyer Mansion, all our balconies are elevated for extended living to accommodate the expanded space.
Fascinating. This clearly demonstrates design thinking when Kallang is conceptualizing the project. So I noticed also there's a generous amount of fittings in the project. Could you elaborate more about it?
Within the apartment, only the finest materials, top-of-the-line appliances and luxurious fittings were selected to create the lifestyle of a luxe coastal resort.
The colour scheme was specifically chosen to present longevity in the design. So it is actually supposed to present to us a classic, modern look that can last over time.
Now this project is unique that it has 2 different distinct views, the one facing the sea and the one facing the landed enclave. Could you maybe share more about this and the thinking behind it?
So as you can see from the views here, you have Meyer Mansion, which is fronting the beach at East Coast Park. And at the back of the development is this large expanse of the landed enclave, which stretches all the way to the Dakota Crescent area. So this provides you with that vast unblocked views. So whether you are facing the sea or facing the landed enclave, you are assured of unblocked views throughout.
Great, thank you for showing us around, Laura and Patricia. Now, before we end off this session, perhaps you could share with us when is the expected TOP for this project?
It is expected to complete in 2024.
Thank you for tuning in. Perhaps we should take a walk?
Sure, let's go.
In Meyer Mansion, most of the 3-bedroom and above has a flexi room concept. Both the entire walls are able to remove entirely to accommodate the changing needs of the family. Marble floorings are flush to the flexi room to ease furnishing challenges. As you can see, the color scheme selected is earthy tone for that timeless and classic look that lasts through generation. Open concept kitchen is designed to integrate with dining for their family bonding. And if you prefer, both ends of the wall are aligned to allow for enclosed kitchen. In Meyer Mansion, all our balconies are elevated for extended living to accommodate for the expanded space.